everyone. Welcome back to SpeakUp English. I'm Anna, your English teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make plans in English, how to invite someone, accept, or even say no politely.
Hi, Teacher Anna. That sounds really useful. I always get nervous when I have to make plans in English.
Don't worry, John. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to make plans confidently, just like a native speaker. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, imagine it's Friday afternoon. You want to hang out with a friend this weekend. How would you start the conversation?
Maybe, what are you doing this weekend?
Perfect. You can also say, do you have any plans for the weekend? Or, are you free on Saturday?
Oh, I hear people say, got any plans for the weekend? Is that okay?
Yes, that's a more casual way to say it. Very natural.
Okay, so I'll try, hey Anna, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Nice job, John. Actually, I don't. What about you?
I was thinking about going to the movies. Would you like to come with me?
That sounds fun. What movie do you want to watch?
Maybe the new adventure movie. I heard it's great.
Oh yes, I love adventure movies. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday evening?
Perfect. Let's meet at 6 p.m. at the cinema.
Wait, maybe 6 p.m. is too early. I might finish work late.
No problem. You can say, can we make it a bit later? Or, how about 7?
Okay, I'll say, can we make it a bit later?
Sure. How about 7?
That works better for me. Thanks, Anna.
You're welcome. Okay, so let's review. Can we make it later? How about 7 p.m.? That works for me.
These sound so natural. I like them.
Now let's try another situation. You want to meet a friend for coffee.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, Anna, do you want to grab a coffee tomorrow?
Great sentence. You can also say, do you want to hang out for coffee? Or would you like to get some coffee together?
Cool. How should I answer if I can't go?
Good question. You can say, I'd love to, but I'm busy tomorrow. Or maybe another time.
So it's polite, even when you say no.
Exactly. Politeness is key in English conversations.
Okay, so I can say, I'd love to, but I already have plans.
Perfect. That sounds very natural and polite. Now, let's make a group plan. Imagine you and your friends want to go on a picnic.
Oh, I love picnics. So I'll say, let's have a picnic this Sunday.
Great. And your friend might say, sounds good. Where should we go?
Then I can answer, how about the city park?
Perfect. You're getting really good at this.
Thanks, this is actually fun.
Yes, making plans is a great way to practice speaking and listening in English. Okay, everyone, let's review today's lesson. We learned how to ask about someone's plans, make invitations, accept or change plans, say no politely. Here are some key phrases to remember. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Would you like to? How about? That works for me. Maybe another time.
This was great. I feel more confident now.
Awesome, John! And to all our learners, try using these sentences in real life this week.
Yeah, make plans in English with your friends.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time, and let's speak up English!